Fala galera, aqui é o Elton. Essa é uma gameplay de Spider-Man. Game muito bonito, com gráficos ótimos e com boa história. Esse pequeno teste está rodando em 4K no alto, em modo equilibrado, com uma média entre 60 e 78 FPS. E tudo isso com a placa de vídeo RTX 3060Ti Ventus MSI. E um Ryzen 7, 5700G, e duas memórias RAM XPG, a 3600 MHz. Mesmo em 4K, a jogabilidade é muito fluida, sem perder nada mesmo. Spider-Man é um ótimo game de ação e aventura, e que você não vai só zerar mas também vai querer cumprir todas as missões extras. Fique com a gameplay, e não se esqueça de curtir e se inscrever no canal. Muito obrigado!
That car crash looks bad. Hope no one's injured. Carl crushed that pedestrian if I don't do something. Almost got it. I've got you. Stay calm. Spider-Man! There's a bunch of guys trying to rob the store. The getaway driver must have been hopped up. Caused the whole wreck. I need to find whoever caused this wreck before anyone else gets hurt. I'm losing them! Gotta catch up. I think you forgot to give people your insurance info back there. This is where you get off. Get a picture. Gotta shut them.
Thank you.
Good man, Spider-Man.
Available units? Possible narcotics sale reported. Nearest officer, please proceed to Roseville.
Drug deals and criminals. They go together like Hey, guys! You got prescriptions for this stuff?
I'm not! Quit moving! I can't believe what I'm seeing! All of us! That looked painful. God! When I break your bone.
units. Witness reports a robbery in progress. Suspects armed. Officers, please report to Lincoln.
Get a picture! Gentlemen, afraid I've got to ask you to leave the store.
How I thought today was gonna go.
Gotta be a special kind of crazy to rob a storefront in the city Spider-Man protects.